Hello everyone, welcome to your maths class. Children, we are right now doing the topic factors and multiples, and in our earlier video we discussed about factors. So now we are going to discuss about multiples. So what are multiples? A multiple is a product of a given whole number and another whole number. That means when we are multiplying two whole numbers, the product which we get, that is a multiple. For example, over here, as you can see, we have written the multiples of 4 right here, as you can see. Now how have we got 4? When we have multiplied one whole number with the other whole number. That is 4 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? 4. So we got here the product 4. How have we got 8? When we have multiplied one whole number with another. So one whole number is 4 and the other one is 2. So when we have multiplied 4 into 2, we got 8. So this explains this definition that a multiple is the product of a given whole number and another whole number. Now basically if we see, multiples form a skip counting pattern. अगर हम 5 के multiples लिख रहे हैं, that means we are skip counting. So that is 5, then 5 skip करेंगे, then we will get 10, then again we will skip 5 and get 15. So this is also another way of saying what are multiples. We skip count and get the multiples. अगर हमको multiples 3 के चाहिए, then we are going to skip count by 3. So 3, 6, 9, this way we are going to get the multiples of 3. Like in the case of here, we are getting the multiples of 2. How? By doing the skip counting way. So we will get 2, then we'll again skip 2, we'll get 4, then jump 2, we'll get 6, then again skip 8, then again skip 10. Similarly, as you can see here, we have got the multiples of 3. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So this is again we are doing, each time we are skipping 3. Now as you can see here children, like we have the common factors, similarly over here we are having the common multiples. Now as you can see here children, we have the multiples of 3 and we have the multiples of 5. So we have written all the multiples of 3 here. We have written all the multiples of 5. Now if I say which ones are common multiples between 3 and 5, so we have here 15. As you can see, 15 is the common multiple over here, and then we have the multiple 30 right here. So two multiples are common. But when we are saying least common, that means the one which is the least, which is less. So 15. So over here between 15 and 30, which one is the least common multiple? The answer which we will write is 15. वहाँ पे हम लोग greatest common factor सीख रहे थे. Here we are getting the least common multiple. So what we will do? Find the multiples and then pick out the common one and select the least common multiple or the lower one, the smaller number, that will be our least common multiple. Now let's move ahead. You can also be asked like this, write down the 4th multiple of 4 or write down the 8th multiple of 4. So what does this mean? अगर हम पूछते हैं कि 4th multiple of 4 is, that means 4 multiplied by 4. So you will be writing 16. If I say 8th multiple of 4, then that means I am finding out the 8th multiple. So I will multiply 8 into 4, that will be 32. So in this way also we can write the multiples. Now let us pay attention to the properties of multiples. We take the first property, that there can be infinite number of multiples. What does infinite mean? Infinite means having no limit, unginat. So we can just keep on finding the multiples. There is no limit. As compared to factors, factors में we had a limit. We could count the factors. So factors were finite. But in case of multiples, multiples are infinite. So they are endless. We can keep on writing the multiples of a number. Now the second important property of multiple is that the smallest multiple is the number itself. That means if I am writing the multiples of 6, the smallest multiple will be the number itself, that is 6. So because we are going to multiply it with 1, so 6 into 1 is 6. So the smallest multiple is the number itself, whatever may be the number. अगर हम 100 के मल्टीपल लिख रहे हैं तो 100 सबसे छोटा होगा because the next multiple will be 200. So which will be the smaller one? 100. Now coming to the third point, multiples are greater than or equal to the number. That means जो भी multiple होगा या वो number itself होगा or it will be greater than the number, not smaller. 6. Suppose we are writing multiples of 6. So either it will be, the multiple will be greater than, so you can see 12, 18, 24 all are greater than 6, or it will be equal to. So first multiple is 6 itself, so equal to 6 हो गया, and other multiples जो भी होंगे उसके, that will be greater than the number. So this explains this point. Multiples are greater than or equal to the number. Now there are few more properties of multiples. Here is the another one. Every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, very simple it is. We can multiply any number with 1. So every number is a multiple of 1. Then another one. Every number is a multiple of itself. We can multiply the number with itself. So every number is a multiple of itself. Then 0 is also a multiple of every number. 0 is a multiple of every number. Here are some questions for you to practice. First one is find the first 5 multiples of 3. So you can easily, very easily find out first 5 multiples of 3 क्या होंगे? Yes, very good. It will be 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. First 5 लिख लिए हमने. And we have done the multiples of 3, first 5 ones. See the second question. Is 63 a multiple of 5? ये पूछ रहा है क्या 63 5 का multiple है? So for that what we will do? We will just recall the table of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 multiples ऐसे find out करेंगे. Then we come to 60. 60 के बाद 65. 63 आया कहीं पे? No. So that means 63 is not a multiple of 5. So you will write your answers like this. So this is the way, children, we will be doing the questions related to multiples. Okay. Thank you, class.